dear children. Welcome back in my US2 class. Today we will learn the last lesson of our second semester portion. Kids, in lesson number 22, Who Fulfills Our Needs, we had learnt about different occupations and industries that develop out of the needs of human beings. Correct? Children, air, water, food and shelter are our basic needs. Right? Like that, clothes are also one of the most important needs in our life. So today we will see different types of clothes according to the weather and occupations from lesson number 24, are clothes. Students, now I am going to ask you some questions. Be ready to give me answers. Okay? So first question is, what type of clothes we wear in winter? Yes, in winter we wear warm clothes like sweaters, gloves, mufflers, woolen caps, etc. to keep our body warm. Right? Okay. Now my next question is, what type of clothes we wear in summer? Yes, absolutely right. In summer, we wear cotton clothes like kurta, pajama, light colored dresses, etc. to keep our body cool. Then, third question, when do we are using raincoats, umbrellas, gumboots? Yes, very good. We are using these all in rainy season. Right? Now, children, tell me, why do we wear clothes? Yes, correct. We wear clothes because clothes protect our body from heat, cold, dirt, dust, rain, etc. Because of that, clothes is very important for us. Kids, we have already seen that there is changes in the clothes people wear during different times of the year. Right? So kids, it is happen because of the weather changes at those times. And we need different clothes to protect our bodies against such changes in weather. Understood? Okay. Remember children, the changes in weather divide the year into 3 parts. These parts are called seasons. The 3 seasons are summer, the rainy season and winter. The seasons follow each other continually. This is called the cycle of seasons. And each season is approximately means almost 4 months long. Like summer season starts from February and end in the month of May. Then rainy season starts from June and end in the month of September. And the last winter season starts from October and ended in January month. Students, maybe you've seen that as the season changes, there are changes in nature and the environment too. Kids, always remember, the seasons have an important effect on the lives of human beings and other living things. With each season, there are changes in the clothes we wear and the food we eat. Seasons also affect farming and other occupations. There are many changes in the weather according to the seasons. So we should adapt to these changes. Here, adapt means become adjusted to new conditions. Hope it is clear to you. Children, India is large in size. Therefore, we find a variety in people's dressing according to their region. So students, each and every state's people, they have different styles of dress according to their region, according to their tradition. People dress up for festivals and important occasions like Diwali, Holi, wedding, birthday party, etc. People wear traditional as well as bright colorful clothes. There is difference in colors, styles and designs of clothes that people wear. This is called variety in clothing. Kids, almost every part of India has its own style of clothes, even clothes that are common to many parts are worn differently. For example, in Maharashtra, West Bengal and in Gujarat, the style of wearing sari is different. People in India wear many types of trousers such as the salwar, churidar and pajama. Churidar and pajama are worn by men also. Children, dhoti and lungi are worn by Indian men differently in different parts of the country. Indian women and girls wear different types of colorful clothes like lehenga choli, ghagra, salwar kameez with dupatta. Understood? And Indian men wear variety of headgear to protect head from sun heat such as caps, hats and other headgear like mundase, feta, pagdi, etc. Children, Sikhs wear turban every day and feta is generally worn in Maharashtra. These all headgear also shows their culture and traditions. Hope you understood. Children, mainly the weather decides what we wear, but taste, convenience and occupations also play an important role in the way people dress. Similarly, we also find a lot of variety in traditional costumes. Students, you wear a uniform to school. Since all the students wear the same uniform, so that you look the same in school. Like that, people engaged in some occupations wear special uniform. So students, you have also seen the uniform of doctors, nurse, postman, policeman, chef, lawyers, soldiers, etc. All those uniforms is different according to their occupations. Kids, do you know the clothes worn by soldiers match the environment around them. This is done so that enemy soldiers cannot spot them easily. For example, they use khaki clothes in deserts, green clothes in jungles, and white clothes in snowy areas like the Himalayas. Students, hope you understood the need of clothes and its types, right? Here our second semester portion is completed. So complete your writing work and start learning. Okay? That's all for today. Take care children. Thank you. Goodbye.